So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the blower motor resistor. So what happens is when you'll be using your AC fan, it'll only work in like the high or medium setting, and so what the problem is your blower motor resistor, this right here, goes out, and as you can see mine's very corroded and needs replacement. So that's pretty much what happens. So in this video I'm going to show you what to do when that happens and where to find it. So what you're going to do is you go to the passenger footwell of your car, then you go down to this little black panel right here, and all you need to do is you just give it a tug a few times and these little clips just come off. It's just plastic, so it's nothing to worry about. So put that to the side. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side of that footwell, and right now I have mine unplugged, but this is usually the plug that goes directly into this, so I unplugged it for right now, but that's going to be like around here in the left corner. So this resistor is usually up right there in that slot, and it has two screws holding it in. So what you have to do is you have to unscrew both those screws, then you just pull it out, and you have this resistor. So you go get a new one, put it back in, and then plug that new resistor in, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much what you do in case your blower motor resistor goes out. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll try to link the product details and everything in the description, so that'll help you guys find it easier. Thanks for watching.